Your posture is not a shape you keep falling into. It is a job. And your muscles that were hired to do the job got laid off years ago without anybody telling you or without probably you even noticing. Why does your lower back ache by the middle of the afternoon when you have not lifted a single heavy thing? Why does your head drift back toward your screen 30 seconds after you fix it? And why can you stretch every single day for a year and still be in the exact same shape? Because sitting up straight was never the answer. You cannot remind a muscle that it's unemployed. You have to give it its job back. You are getting the 4 moves that put your whole body back into shape, put your body into payroll, including one exercise that flattens your stomach while it fixes your tilt. And you're getting the proof because we're going to take a before photo for this right now and we're going to compare it at the end of this video. Do this test with me first. Back against the wall, raise both arms straight overhead and try to touch the wall behind you without letting your back peel off. This is your before photo, by the way. If you keep up with the habits I teach you, your lower back will stop aching by 3 in the afternoon and you'll finally be able to get back down on the floor and back up without even thinking about it. The average adult sits for about 12 to 16 hours a day. Sitting does not only make you weak, it splits you in half. The front of you shrinks and the back of you gets quiet. Your posterior chain, the whole back side of you, your spinal erectors, your glutes, your hamstrings, everything's laid off. And I lived through this. I built everything I have, well, from a chair. 2 decades, Fitlife, Organifi, laptop, camera, edit bay. When I hit 40, my testosterone dropped and I woke up one day 240 pounds. When I started climbing out, the only thing I could do was walk. And I remember sitting on the floor with my daughter that year, not even able to do a squat, and my whole back was thrown out. It was like an event. So if this sounds familiar, drop a like and follow because things are about to get very real. Step 1 would simply be the reverse plank. Follow along with me if you can, and we'll see how your body changes by the end of this video. Sit on the floor, legs straight out, hands behind your hips, fingers pointing at your feet. Do not just shove yourself up. Think open chest, press through your hands, lift your hips until you're one straight line of heels and head. Shoulder blades back and down, glutes squeezed hard, 30 seconds, 5 sets. It is the only common floor exercise that loads the back of you and stretches the front of you in the same moment. Step 2, start counting how long each stretch is. Every 30 minutes, I stand up and I walk around and I stretch, open up my hip flexors. I do some of the moves that I'm teaching you. I get a timer running, and yes, I do this on meetings after a long run. Step 3, give the hip its back half back. When you sit, your hip is folded at 90 degrees. Fold it up for 10 hours a day, and then the tissue in the front of the hip, which many of you probably feel tight hip flexors, it just gets stiff. Then you stand up, and you cannot get your leg fully behind your body. And your low back literally arches to fake it. That ache you get standing at your kitchen sink is your low back doing the hip's job. A study in 2021 observed 140 people. The active ones sitting under 4 hours a day had 6.1 degrees more passive hip extension than the inactive ones sitting more than 7. Drive one leg straight back without arching your lower back to cheat. Hold it for maybe 2 seconds, 10 each side. You are teaching your nervous system that your range belongs to you. Step 4, open the middle of your back every day. A foam roller, a rolled up bath towel, across your back at bra strap height. Hands behind your head so your neck holds nothing, and let your upper back drape towards over it. 5 slow breaths, move it an inch again. This exercise changes how you carry your spine. Those 4 exercises can change your life. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't go anywhere because I have a bonus. Sit on the floor more. Your hips were never built to hold one angle for a decade, and your floor time changes the angle. Now back to the wall. Same setup, arms overhead, push them up. Compare it to the photo 5 minutes ago. If you got closer, that is the back of your body clocking in for the first time in a very long time. Your spine is not fragile and you're not broken. You have a back half of your body that stopped being asked to do anything. And when it comes back, you're going to find the vitality that you've been missing. Did your posture improve from following along? Let me know in the comments. I'm Drew Canoli, and I'm on a mission to transform 100 million lives. And this one starts with your hips, baby. Let's go.